morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this video. Chris Camel, Sega Science, what's up? Well, I'm out in the forge today. If you watched one of the last videos of my fossil videos, you saw that I found a railroad spike all rusted out in the river, and there it is. So, it is a beast of a piece of metal, just rusted as hell. I have no idea how much to do with this thing, but for purposes of combining my two, throw in the forge, see what we can figure out, right? If I got enough steel, I'll make something interesting. If not, we'll get rid of the steel. It'll be a good morning anyway, because I get to beat something with a hammer that's hot and glowing red. That's how we're going to start. Plus, I've got a whole bunch of projects I got to get done. I got 2 or 3 blades that I need to get to people. I need 1 blade I got to finish up, and I got lots of Christmas gifts to make. So we get started on that, a bunch of kitchen knives, and we'll go from there. It'll be way better than the Christmas gifts I gave out last year, because the Christmas gifts I gave out last year were really bad. So wish me luck. Let's get forward. So ball up of this. There's some steel in there. See, it's just splitting like crazy. We'll keep it going now and see what happens. What's up? Chris Camel, Sega Science, here in the forge, working on this project. Let me find it for you. Where'd you go, project? Found the project. Alright, so there it is. Put a little twist in it, flatten it out. I'm gonna see if I can grind it up and make it look a little bit better. You know what I mean? It's not perfect. I mean, you got some splits in it from just it being so damn old. But we're going to see if we can turn this into something. Maybe a little letter opener or something from the river. So, Peace River letter opener. Custom made by K-Dog Forge. Actually, that would be Joshua Creek, though. So, we're going to get to it, do some grinding. Well, there you have it. Not too bad. Kind of a cool little thing. But if you notice from the video that we're not a whole lot as far. I'm doubting this thing's actually hard. But I'll throw it in. It looks kind of cool, kind of rough. This isn't put on the wall because I think it's cool. Maybe if it does get hard, I'll turn it into a little throwing knife although it's bound. It's fun. I enjoyed that. Made a little something out of what I found in the river. And that's cool. It wasn't bone. This is made from steel. So who knows how old that thing is. Super cool. You know what? It actually got hard. How about that crap? I didn't think there was enough carbon in there. This file is skating. Crazy. It's alright. We got a hard blade. Time to temper. Alright, 400 2 times at 30 minutes should be enough. Cool. Quickie little job. Project. Didn't take long. Steel actually came out alright. Letter opener made from a railroad tie found in the bottom of the piece strip. I have successfully paired both of my hobbies that I filmed from Sake of Science and made something out of both, which is pretty cool. So let's give it some testing here, shall we? Here's the mail that never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. Alright. Seems to do the job. Railroad tie tool. Oh yeah. You know what? That was a lot of fun. I'm glad I decided to do that. Put a little twist in it. It made it sharp. Holding its edge. Fun little job. So, thanks for tuning in to Sake of Science. I really do appreciate it. Every last supporter and subscriber that I get, I appreciate. Thanks for joining me. Peace.